I J K L
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
M
Keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be
N
handy.
O P
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys
Q
as thick as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the
R
music and the step, and with
Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. I for Indian. I for igloo.
And there was Captain Washington.
I is for island, surrounded by sea.
They say he's grown
J for jam, J for juice. J is for jam, you eat with your tea.
keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy.
K for kangaroo.
Music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
K for key. K for koala, he's cute and he's brown. L for ladder. L for leaf. L is for lamb, he's prancing around. M for monkey.
Yankee Doodle
M for mouse.
town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
M is for money, it's best if you save.
Keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy.
N for nail.
Music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
N for nose. N is for numbers, let's count some today. O for octopus. O for orange. O is for olive, it's green and it's black. P for paint. P for popcorn.
Wheels on the bus go
P is for plates, that you dry in a rack.
round and round. The
Q for question.
go round and round.
Q for queen. Q is for question, when you don't know why. R for radio. R for rake. R is for rainbow, you see in the sky. I J K L M N O P Q R. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.